CG fam, what is up? We're just gonna give my chicken some water. I was trying to get a clip of me giving them food too, but like I realized I didn't record that, unfortunately. So, yeah, look at that gross monkey water. Why are you having so gross? Okay, anyway, let's dive into it. Okay, so let's get my hose right here. Okay, guys, thanks to the magic of editing, I am gonna make this water disappear. Ugh, okay, that is just gross. Okay. Ugh. Okay, let's just get this. Oh, sorry, that's the wrong setting. Let's see. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, oh my gosh, sorry guys. Sorry girls. Okay, and she's gonna fill up. Let's just fast forward and turn. Okay, that's done. Let's throw this hose over there. Okay. Okay, guys, you have your water now. Why are you in the back? Okay, guys, thank you for watching. This is Latham from Chickens Explain. Goodbye.